This episode of Android Weekly is brought to you by Full Sail University. So it looks like HTC might be making a little money now. So what's going on? HTC made some major news last week when it announced that monthly revenue hit a 6-month high last month. What initiated such success? Well, it could be the new HTC One A9 smartphone, which features a brand new design language, cleaner, leaner Sense build. Given the misgivings fans and critics had about this year's flagship proper, the One M9, all eyes are now on the prospects of 2016 and what may come forth. Today we have a slightly better clue thanks to the leaker Lab2Fur. He said this: remember reports about HTC's next flagship, codenamed HTC O2? Well, it's dead. HTC Perfume is its next flagship. It has Android 6.1 and Sense 8.0 GP. Provided this information is accurate, the new flagship is now called the HTC Perfume. It's currently unknown if this is implied to be the final name of the device or simply the company's internal code name. The O2, for reference, was rumored to include a 6-inch Quad HD display, a Snapdragon 820 system on a chip, 4 GB of RAM, 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, and a 3,500 mAh battery. Now, when some people saw the Sense 8.0 GP, some thought that the GP stood for the Google Play Store, meaning a Google Play Store edition of the HTC Perfume. But I think that's wishful thinking. If it were truly a Google Play edition, we would have seen that in the name of the actual device, not of Sense 8.0. What do you think? Am I wrong? Now let's talk about the alleged Xiaomi Mi 5 render. An alleged render of the Xiaomi Mi 5 smartphone has been leaked online. The leaked image shows us the front side of Xiaomi's upcoming flagship, which reveals a physical home button sitting right below the display of the phone, if the render is indeed accurate. According to reputed Chinese analyst Panju Tang, the Mi 5 will not make use of Qualcomm's new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner technology, which the analyst says isn't ready for prime time just yet. Thus, we can expect a traditional fingerprint scanner, just like the ones on the latest Apple iPhones, Samsung Galaxy handsets, etc. The Mi 5 is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 820 chipset and paired with Quad HD display, 4 GB of RAM, a 16 megapixel rear camera, and a 3,000 mAh battery. There's also a rumor that the Mi 5 will come with a Force Touch equipped screen, but nothing can be confirmed as of yet. Now let's talk Android tablets or Android laptops. It's been a while since we've heard anything about the Pixel C tablet, leaving many consumers wondering when they'll be able to get their hands on one. But this week we have good news. You can now purchase the Pixel C from the Google Play Store starting at $499 US. We know $499 isn't cheap, especially when it comes to the tablet market, and that premium price point is just for the tablet itself. You'll need to spend an additional $149 for the fancy magnetic keyboard or the keyboard folio. We recommend the former. The tablet comes in both 32 and 60 GB flavors, with the higher storage option going to $599 US. If you need a refresher, the Pixel C boasts an impressive 10.2-inch LCD display with 2560 by 1800 resolution and a pixel density of 308 ppi. It's powered by NVIDIA Tegra X1 processor, 3 GB of RAM, a 34.2 watt-hour battery, and runs Android 6.0 Marshmallow. It also comes with an 8 megapixel rear camera and a 2 megapixel front-facing camera, and has USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. So I think between How to Become TV and XDA Developers TV, two previous YouTube channels I worked for, where I interviewed over 120 software developers, what became very clear is that there is a gap between the instructional theory you learn in a classroom as a developer and the hands-on work experience. And our sponsor, Full Sail University, addresses that issue. They give you both. Full Sail University's Web Design and Development Bachelor's Degree program is available both on campus and online. It teaches front-end design, back-end development, along with coding formats, programming languages, and more. All students have hands-on access to technology from day one. They receive a laptop computer at an institutional discount, along with relevant software and tools. To learn more about Full Sail's web and technology programs, visit fullsail.edu/authority. Thanks for watching, Android Army. My name is Jayce. Love to connect with you right here on Google Plus or Twitter. It's really only Twitter. You don't want to forget about my brothers and sister in Android who are working super hard to be your source for all things Android.